Alright, we're back here with 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix with the misfire on cylinders 5 and 2. The previous video replaced all the coil packs, but that did not fix the misfire on 5 and 2, so I should have not been in such a hurry when I initially diagnosed it, but it was cold and starting to rain. It's the ignition control module. So now I'm changing the ignition control module. It's the same process as part 2. Is I'm just going to remove all these coils, the same screws that hold down the coil pack, also the ones that hold down the ignition control module. So after I take all these off, I'll just pop that up and we'll remove the little screw that holds in the wiring harness to unplug it. Plug it in, pop it all back together. This should be real quick and easy. It should be noted that for this, I did disconnect the negative battery because when I'm unplugging the thing here, I don't want to send any kind of voltage shocks to the computer or not like that. As my disclaimers always say, I'm not a mechanic, but don't want to take unnecessary risk. All right, so we just pulled those right off. And you see this right here? Just lifts right off of there. So now we'll get what looks like a 7mm. Take that screw out. All right, so that was a 7mm. It just unplugs. Just check the pins on it. Don't look like there's any corrosion or anything. All looks good there. Better lighting. Doesn't really matter. I'm replacing it. So let me get the new one. Alright, because I'm anal retentive, I'm going to clean this off. Brush in there. And I'm going to replace this plastic shielding on there. Check my wires. I got this 1/2 inch from the Harbor Freight. I'll be using on that. Be right back. Alright, so got that all taped back up. Get dirt cleaned out. Going with the Master Pro part number, because it's got a lifetime warranty and it was available quick. So yeah, let's open her up. Of course, I'll be using some dielectric grease on the connector there and on the little pins for the module. Alright then, so got it plugged in, tighten that 7mm screw down, got the dielectric grease on it. Now all I gotta do is start replacing the coils. Let's see what this one here is. And it tells you on the I don't know if you can see it on there, it lightly says like 5-2 is imprinted on it, 3-6, and the 1-4 would be down at the other end. So it tells you so you don't get it goofed up. Let's see, what's this one? This one here is the bottom one. So I'll line that up. Alright. It's hard to do this one-handed. I don't have a camera person. So I'm just gonna line it up there, plug it in, and get a screw on it. Oh, it's gonna slip. Alright. I'm just gonna take a screw and shove it in the hole. And start hand time. I'm gonna turn this off so I can do that. Alright, here goes the last one. Line it up, shove it in. Oh, sorry. Bad camera angle. And the last screw. Pause it here and get those snug down, and then rehook the battery and cross my fingers. All right, battery's reconnected. I don't know if you can notice or not there, the originals had the cylinder numbers written on the coils. For my purposes, I rewrote them on there on the sides, and so it makes it a lot easier for changing your wires and stuff later. So just something you could try if you like it. All right, so I'm gonna pause it, fire it up, see what we get. All right, no hesitation, smooth as butter. Everything's running fine. Gotta love it when a plan comes together. All right, so now that's the completion of 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix misfire. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed your stay. All right, just a quick recap. First of all, if you missed episodes 1 and 2, you can feel free to look back on those. What we did here was cost-wise was $157, I think, including shipping and tax from Rock Auto for the 3 GM OEM coil packs, and then $199 plus tax, $211. O'Reilly's for the Master Pro ignition module. Was my original coil packs bad? I don't know. It had 148,000 miles on them. Original coil packs. It didn't hurt anything to change them out anyway. Even if they were still good, they didn't have a whole lot of life left in them. So I don't feel bad about that. Like I said before, hope everything came across as clear as I was trying to make it. A lot of distractions today. But thanks again for watching, and hope you enjoyed what you saw.